Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. On today's video, y'all saw the title. I'm finally doing a McRIB video. I know I'm late to the party, but hey, it happens. So, back then in the 90s when I worked there, we used bird's eye barbecue sauce as our base. So, I know I'm letting out a little bit of a secret, but hey, just trying to help y'all all out. But today I'm not going to use bird's eye barbecue sauce. Today I'm going to use a homegrown Louisiana barbecue sauce called JD's barbecue sauce. I'm also going to use the Pit Barrel Junior to cook up the ribs. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I'm going to go ahead and give this talking spot another chance here. Hopefully the cars cooperate and I don't have to mute it like I usually do. I've already taken off the membrane off the St. Louis cut of ribs here. Go ahead and hit it up with some Creole mustard. Mississippi grind is more of a sweet kind of course the top doesn't want to cooperate right now, is more of a sweet kind of rub. Next, we're going to go ahead and hit it up with some Killer Hogs. It's got more of a paprika kind of flavoring to it. Plus, I like the color that it brings to the ribs. It gives it more of a mahogany coloring to it. Sorry about not talking a minute ago. We just had torrential downpours and y'all wouldn't be able to hear me anyway. So now y'all are able to hear me for the rest of this. So let's go ahead. The sandwich smells phenomenal. It's got a nice rich smoky flavor coming off of it from the cherry wood that we used. So let's dig in. Right off the bat, you got the nice smoky flavor coming from it. Then you've got the JD's molasses mustard sauce. It's got a little bit of heat to it, not much. And then you've got this sweet tanginess from it too. Just really does better than the Bullseye brand barbecue sauce. Overall, definitely like this better than the regular McRIB. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.